So when you were on the Dvaitam path and you could not understand all this was so difficult to even get it. You didn't even know that you are the witness of the body mind. You thought you were the body mind. So when you were on the Dvaitam path, obviously it was impossible to explain this to you. So when you are not there yet, you are taught that God is in an idol or is a higher power. And if you are suffering, you pray to that God. Yes, this is the way to teach somebody who has not come to this level of understanding. Now, when you come to this level of understanding, you have to let go of the previous. Because it is so funny. I'm praying to my deep sleep state that tomorrow morning's dream and tomorrow morning's waking state, let it be better, please. How funny is that? So you mature when you come to Advaita. It's a natural maturity when you start recognizing this, and then rites and rituals shed off automatically. Not that you look down upon them, not that you develop a condescending attitude towards them. Not at all. You were there once. That is the path that got you up here. Yeah. So there is no need to look down upon that. Please understand this. You went to primary school. Primary school was the stepping stone to come to high school. High school was the stepping stone to come to college. College was the stepping stone to come to university. Now, when you come to university, do you look down upon school? No. It was an essential stepping stone for me to get where I am today. Is this very clear? That's why I say no path is wrong. Every path is correct. Every path gets you there. Yeah? So don't look down upon the Dvaitam path. Just be very clear that once I come to university, I don't hold on to my school uniform and my school bag and my school books. They naturally, shed off. It's not that you hate your school bag. It's not that you hate your school teachers. In fact, you love them. Yeah, you revere them. They are very close to your heart. Maybe in university you never found a teacher like you had a teacher in kindergarten, maybe. Yes, they are all dear to me. But now I am at university level. I have naturally matured. So the same thing exists on the spiritual path. You recognize, oh, I was praying to myself. I was praying to myself. So now you start looking higher, beyond Ishvara.